Mr. Seltzer's 9th grade geometry class, Block 2, Paper Flip Project by Tyson Hairston and Fernando Rosales. Chapter 11.8, Question 11. The Medici Family Crest. The crest of the Medici family features 6 golden hemispheres. The use of the 3 golden spheres to symbolize pawn shops is believed to have originated from the Medici crest. The statue features the Medici crest with hemispheres, 6 of them, as well as the 3 gold spheres of a pawn shop. Adam needs to determine whether the cost of the electroplating the 6 hemispheres, diameter of 6 centimeters, and the 3 pawn shop spheres, diameter of 8 centimeters, in gold will stay under the budget of $150. The electroplating shop tells him to expect to pay 14 cents per centimeter squared to electroplate the figures. Will he be able to stay under budget? If not, what diameter pawn shop spheres should make him stay under budget? Now the main question is, did Adam A. Hamada go over budget, which is $150? This is the 3 golden spheres of 8 centimeters, 1, 2, and 3. And the 6 hemispheres of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now let's get going, kids! First things first, the formulas. For the spheres, it's 4/3 pi r cubed. For the hemispheres, it's 4/3 pi r cubed divided by 2. Second of all, figure out the sphere volume. So you would do 4/3 pi times 4 to the 3rd power, which would equal 268.01. So then you would take 268.01 and multiply it by 2, because the 268.1 represents one of the 3 balls, and the 2 is the other 2. So you would get a total of 536.16. Third on the list is figuring out the hemisphere volume. So you would do 4/3 pi 3 to the 3rd, which would equal 113.9. Then you would take 113.09 and divide it by 2, because that's part of the formula, and you would get 56.54. So then you would take that 56.54 and multiply it by 5, because the 56.54 is one of the 6 balls. And then you would get a total of 282.70. Fourth but not last, you would take the 536.16 and add it to the 282.70, and then you would get a grand total of 816.86. So lastly, you would take 816.86 and multiply it by the 14 cents per centimeters, and you would get 114.36. So in the end, the grand total is $114.36. $114.36. So the answer to your question is no, Adam didn't go over budget. He has $35.64 left. Now, Adam can buy a new hat for his mom.
Wait a second.
Switching.
We're switching now. Okay, here, hold this. Okay. Press right here.
Okay.
Okay. Marco Ron's meatballs.
Oh, snap.
Okay. Marco Ron has just made 2 dozen meatballs. Each meatball has a 2-inch diameter. He wishes to cook them in sauce for a while, but his large pot may not be big enough to hold both them in the sauce. Right now, before the meatballs are added, the sauce is 2 inches from the top. Nope. Yes. The sauce is 2 inches from the top, the 14-inch diameter pot. Will the sauce spill over when the meatballs are added to the pot? Okay. Now let's get cooking with Mario.
Mark.
Marco, sorry. Okay, sorry.
Okay.
First things first. You have to find the volume of the missing 2-inch space. The formula is pi 7 squared times 2, which gives you a total of 307.9. You times it by 2 because the height is 2 of the sauce from the 14-inch diameter. And there's your pot with the sauce. Second of all, you must find the volume of the total number of meatballs, which your formula will be 4/3 times pi 1 cubed, which gives you a total of 4.2, and then you times that by 23 since there are 24 meatballs, which gives you 96.3. And there's a meatball with sauce. Henceforth, see if the volume of the pot is greater than the volume of the total amount of meatballs. In the end, the meatballs will not spill out because the volume of the pot is 3 times larger than the meatballs. The end. Thank you for watching.